Bitcoin's goals to drive you crazy. What's going on in the crypto market? You want to know everything? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Arnedo here trying to help you. Why? Because right now we are going down with Bitcoin, but Titan of Crypto telling us here the bull run is still intact. We're in a boring consolidation pace. The goal is to drive you crazy, to trigger your impatience, and to make you do mistakes. Don't get trapped in short-term price action. The best is yet to come. I believe that also from Red Capital. Bitcoin has been consolidating inside this reaccumulation range for 3 months now. And history suggests this could still go on for 3 months now. So we still have ahead of us 3 more months of boring times here on Crypto News, even though we have fun if the price goes up, down, or flat. But it shouldn't surprise you that we are rejected from the highs. We might go to the lows and then back up again. And consider that the fact that we are struggling to breaking out this all-time high is beneficial for the overall cycle. Bitcoin has never broken out this early in post-halving period. If it did, the cycle would be accelerated to such a point that the bull market would simply be shorter than usual. This continued consolidation is enabling price to resynchronize with historical halving cycles so that we can get a normal, usual bull run and we can have all this leg up, this banana, this parabolic mode and be happy on 2025. Why not? Also consider that if history repeats, Bitcoin might have a shake out below the 50 moving average as it happened in 2017. This could be the last best entry before the bull run resumes. So pay attention to that. Also, that maybe we are having comparing with 2017, the same result, the same pattern, but just a half speed. You can see here 100 days, and here we have 50 days, but that means that we still need more time to start the run up. Also consider the previous election year in United States. We draw you these lines in previous videos, watch them all, and you can see how similar the action is to 2020. So still maybe we have to be flat for a long period of time. I understand this is not a good thing for you. You want everything to go crazy up. But why don't we just have a nice summer, accumulating a little bit more, and then we have a crazy last quarter of the year? Why not? Crypto Robert saying here that according to Bitcoin history, we might go parabolic in the coming 1 to 2 weeks. I believe we might have to wait a bit longer, but this might also happen. Of course, we have no idea what's going to happen with Bitcoin price because we have good data from inflation in United States. Jerome Powell did good. They didn't cut the rates, but we might still have some of those cuts this year in United States. So price of Bitcoin went up and then we went down again. So up and down, and now up, trying to be beyond the $60,000, $67,000. We'll see for the weekend. Consider also the manipulation in the market. We always have the same. You can see that the whales took advantage of people believing Bitcoin was going to go down, to go up, and then up to go down and back again. So they are trying to shake you out and take your money. Do not fall for that. Also, talking about triangles, maybe we're still in this ascending triangle for Bitcoin, which would be awesome, but we're still in this triangle for dollar, which is not good. We wanted to find resistance here and go down. This might be the action of dollar, and remember that this go the other way for Bitcoin every time. Also here we told you about those dot plots in the Fed. Now they expect just one cut probably in September for those rates. And MicroStrategy doesn't care whatsoever about all this. He just bought $500 million worth of Bitcoin. And what about Biden? Allegedly, he might start accepting donations also in crypto. So you see there the hypocrisy out there. He slams Bitcoin, but then he gets crypto donations. Donald Trump, of course, is a crypto bro now, and we have rumors that he might be in Bitcoin 2024. That would be in Nashville, July 25, 27. Would he be there embracing Bitcoin? That would be crazy, of course. Today we have Prague BTC conference starting, and there are our friends from Trezor with a huge piece of information. It's going to be revealed there. But I went to their website and I found it there already published. We have a new Trezor, the Trezor Safe 5. Awesome stuff that I will tell you all about in further videos. So watch them. But if you want to buy a Trezor Safe 5, you can go now to our link in the description below and you can get one of those. Be the first. We're going to have these devices just for Bitcoin, all for Bitcoin and the other cryptos. So interesting. I will tell you more in the future. You can now pre-order it. And watch the last video. We told you about the Keep Metal. This thing also for your words, not just like the Trezor for your cryptocurrencies, but the overall safe for your words. Also remember that if you buy one of these Trezors, Model 1 or any of those that you have already there, the Model T, it's over, I believe. But if you buy one of the other ones, you might get one extra. Also, if you buy one of these, you can participate with the form you have in the description below in our draws. On Monday, we have a new winner. And some of you asked me, what happens if I have 24 words and I have no 12 words? Because this is ready for 12 words. You can see we have just 12 spots there, and the four first word of letters of our words for those 12. But if you want the 24, I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. You can go to Amazon Spain or Amazon your country, and then in the official shop from Trezor, you can buy the 24 words. It's just the same, it's just bigger, so you have 24 spots and not 12. More good news today. Well, we have Australia's largest bank, Commonwealth Bank, adding IBIT Bitcoin ETF to its trading platform. And from Brazil's biggest bank, Itaú Unibanco, launched Bitcoin trading to all customers. It has 60 million customers in Latin America. More good news. Congressman Thomas Massie says that reading the Bitcoin Standard Book, he was inspired to introducing a bill to the end of the Federal Reserve. That would be awesome. We told you about Bitcoin Standard. You have a fanontheright.com site where you have our recommended books. We have so many of them, and we have videos for some of them. You can click on the links. And actually, I have a video about the Bitcoin Standard that you can audio listen as I did with Audible. I'm going to leave you link in the description below to Audible. You can try it for free for 30 to 90 days, and then you have to pay nothing if you don't want to, but you'll help us with the link in the description below. And if you want a sum up of the Bitcoin Standard, you have it. This is the video. Just find Patron Bitcoin on the search box on YouTube, or find it in the description below. You have a link there, also link to the book if you want to buy a physical book, and you can have fun with myself, because at that point in time my glasses were not even pixelated. 6 years have passed since that point, which is amazing. Yesterday we had inflows. This was 2 days ago. Yesterday we had outflows on the ETFs. So you see that we go up and down also with this variable of the inflows or outflows in the ETFs. And remember, we told you in previous videos that when we have these Fed meetings, that should mean the bottom for the price on Bitcoin. There's the chart. You have the video. Watch it if you didn't remember, you don't remember it. And we are having similar price action to previous moments of these decisions. Also from Benjamin Cohen, you can see here a deja vu, Fed indicating it will cut rates in 2019, not until 2020 they said, but they cut it, and we had this price action. I told you everything about this in previous videos. And now remember that the experts believe we are only going to have one of these cuts. It's going to be on September. And also about moving average of 25 in the daily chart, we might have this price action. We are bouncing just in the line as we did here. So maybe it's time for a crazy stuff, and we are in $95,000 for July the 20, for July the 1, the 1st. Well, that can be. And maybe it's not a bad idea having some Bitcoin. This is Raja, allegedly people waiting in long lines for having some money because they believe that their currencies value, they are going to go down. So maybe just if things go south in the world, having some Bitcoin is a good idea. Maybe so, or maybe some altcoins. The market is in red and green for those. This all you can follow on dexters.io. We have Trump there. We have Pepe in the hot pairs today. And we have crazy stuff about all these altcoins world. We have this coin from Audio Tate. It's called Daddy. And he just burned a lot of it, 40% of the supply. Crazy guy, in my opinion. And this is worth $110 million, which is crazy. He says he's making history. I think this is just crazy stuff. And I wonder if he had all this money, this is realized earnings. So he has to pay taxes for all that he burned. He did thought this through, or he didn't. Because, yeah, it's nice burning all this money. He says this is because he's such a good guy and he's spending over $20 million a year feeding starving children and things like that. But now maybe you are going to feed the SEC and Gary Gensler. Maybe you need Andrew Tate Cointracking, the tool for tracking your portfolio and doing your homework for Gary Gensler. Be careful out there. And remember, if you are in Spain, we are in June. I created a short telling you that you can ask us the last questions you have. You have a link in the description below with a 10% discount. So use it now because we are getting to the end of this year campaign. Daddy and Andrew Tate taking over. Over what? Over Mother. We have Mother. We have Daddy. We have so many crazy stuff in the crypto world that you follow here on our channel, CryptoNews, Fun on the Ride with Rodrigo Arnedo. And here, Ziggy Azalea, she was opening the session in the stock market with her token, Mother. Again, now we have a Bella Danger with her own token. We have people in Spain, famous YouTubers with their tokens too. We have Andrew Tate. We have this now. Those are called now celeb coins. So coins from celebrities. Do you think this is interesting? Iggy Azalea was there talking bad stuff about Vitalik Buterin. Community believes, she believes that those gas fees goes to Vitalik. So this is not the case. Iggy Azalea. I would be happy of explaining you everything about that if you give me a call. Some rumors out there that she was dating Vitalik. Of course, those are some jokes. In any case, those celeb coins now that, go to the crazy area of the crypto world with the meme coins, with the president coins, with the animal coins, and all the rest of the crazy stuff. Even we have this tweet from Mr. Beast. Is this true? This is the huge channel on YouTube, #1. And if he drops a coin, you can imagine he's going to make a killing. So be careful out there with speculators, with scammers, with Mr. Bitcoin. Probably is going to be out there soon enough. And Ethereum is not breaking the support withdrawal, so that's a good thing. When Gary Gensler said that the ETF for Ethereum might be approved this summer, that would be awesome. Also in the day, we know we had the second biggest holder buying day in history. People holding and buying for good. We are just waiting for good things to happen. and spending some of our crypto with our partners Bybit and the debit card. Do you have the 25 euros that you can get with our link? No? Then do that today and start earning like ourselves cashback and so many other stuff that we told you in dedicated videos in the channel. Watch them if you don't know about Bybit Card, our sponsor. And thank you to the people that came to the calling to Fanon, our pool in Cardano. Thank you for validating with us. When we have a new blog and we also have a hard fork coming probably next week. We'll tell you everything about that in further videos. And right now, let's forget a little bit about money and about crypto, and let's hack someone out there. Or maybe not, maybe you want more information. Then go to AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence. And if you want more about crypto, if you missed some of the important information we told you in previous videos, go watch them now. CryptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!